What an exciting day it has been in the markets. We are over 300 billion. We haven't managed to do that for such a long time. Bitcoin is stable over 8K. Big gains in the last 24 hours. Now, yesterday, I did read this story as it was breaking. Didn't think it was legit, but after several more sources have confirmed its authenticity, it now seems we have the major reason for the bull run. Bitcoin has been declared halal or permitted. Now, the reason I doubted this at first was because I wasn't sure if there really could be any one person to speak for all of Islam like that. 1.6 billion people around the world, the fastest growing religion, but apparently that's what's happened. A recent declaration by an Islamic scholar that Bitcoin is compliant with Sharia law could be the cause behind today's $1,000 price surge, opening the market to Muslim investors who were previously unsure if the cryptocurrency qualified as money under the strict definitions outlined by scholars. Now, here's why that's such a bullish thing. Muslims account for 23% of the world's population, 1.6 billion Muslims throughout the world. Sharia law, or Islamic canonical law, prohibits the practice of lending money at high interest rates known as usury. Debate has raged since the popularity of Bitcoin and the Islamic scholar community as to whether Bitcoin trading was a form of usury due to the volatility and huge profit and loss margins. But now it seems that they have some clarity on it. It's just so exciting. Take your pick of any coin. You would have done very well. Bitcoin Private has been on an absolute tear though, as well as Golem. Binance Coin hasn't seemed to have done too much lately, which is interesting. The Binance coin burn is right around the corner. The amount of the coin burn should be announced in around 2 days on the 15th of April. Every 3 months, a significant portion of BNB coins are taken off the market. If the performance of Binance coins after the last 2 burns is anything to go by, it's not hard to see why Binance coin could experience a nice price surge in the upcoming days. Not financial advice. Take what you will. Now, interestingly, I did say that you guys wanted a Fluzz ICO review. Apparently, it's not an ICO anymore. Guess that's what happens when you take an extended break. However, that doesn't necessarily mean it's too late if you were interested. Let me show you why. So the ICO price was at 10 cents, and some of the people that got into the private pre-sale got it for, I think, 7.5 cents. So at a current price of 8 cents, although the volume is quite low, it's still like getting in the private sale of the ICO. But they raised around $20 million in February, and basically Fluzz, I find that really difficult to say, offers cash back on everyday purchases with participant merchants in the US once they launch in July. It is currently only on very small exchanges. So how does it work? Merchants use some of their margins to pay off advertising of the party who referred the customer. And now affiliates earn a referral fee by sending customers to spend with specific merchants. Some affiliates like Fluzz offer cash back to incentivize more customers to go through their affiliate merchants. Cashback is a portion of the affiliate fee Fluzz makes from your purchase, but this only works with specific merchants. Out of the cashback Fluzz gives back, half goes to you and half to all the people who have registered before you. So even though it isn't technically one, many people compare it to a multi-level marketing campaign, since users will make more money by telling other people to sign up under them and spend than by spending themselves. But how does the token work? The only use of the token currently is to lock up in the platform to get a seat in the referral structure. There are currently around 16,000 seats, and they cost between 10,000 and 20,000 Fluzz coins. Once each seat is claimed by locking up tokens in July, seats can only be traded within the platform. The seat is destroyed if the tokens are withdrawn. So after launch, there won't be much volume on the public exchange. But there is multiple levels of premium token only seats, and the one you get is totally random, so some luck is involved. This is what their app will look like. I believe they have over 40,000 users. This will launch in July in the US. And I suppose final thoughts about the project: since cashback percentages are usually quite small and they will be split between many people, you would need a lot of adoption or a lot of users for these seats to become profitable. Just like with many other crypto projects, adoption would mean success.